Hello everyone. My name is Himadri and I am from Kolkata. And recently I did my MBA from my mom research and I got placed in a Rani group. So recently, a few days back, I have attended a session which is organized by B10X group, and I must say it was a fantastic experience. The session was very enriching and insightful, and I must say that I have learned a lot from it. So one of the things I appreciate that the most of the variety of the tools that they have introduced during the session, and I was particularly impressed by the tools, for example, the Slice GPT, Tom.app, and obviously the Chat GPT. So I found the session was very engaging and interactive. The speakers were knowledgeable and passionate about the topics what for the session is. And overall, I I would highly recommend this online session to everyone who is interested in learning this AI tools and techniques. And thank you, B10X Group, for organizing this session and for sharing such a valuable insight. Thank you so much.